Hello everyone. In this session we discuss the vehicle category, and in coming two sessions we discuss about the car body types and vehicle segment. Okay, so these are the important terms. Okay, suppose you are at the senior level and you are discussing with your customer. So that time whatever the project they are given to you, okay, they you need to know, okay, in which vehicle category this project it belongs, then what car body type that project has, or in which segment this vehicle is, okay, false. So that understanding you need to know. Okay, suppose while discussion they are telling these things and you don't aware of these things, then it is difficult to understand. Okay, also it is difficult to fulfill their requirement. So first understand vehicle category in general. Okay, we know that we two wheeler. Okay, in two wheeler there is moped, then three wheeler, then four wheeler. Okay, so some four wheeler vehicle used for the passenger carry, or some four wheeler vehicle are used, it is used to carry the goods material. Then there is a capacity. Okay, suppose some four wheeler carry the goods material, then there is a capacity limit for that. Also same for the four wheeler, okay, which carry the passenger. So it has 4 people capacity, then 10 people capacity. So based on that there is a vehicle categorization is done. So these are the 9 different vehicle category. Okay, again, suppose consider here this L category, it is again subdivided into the L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6 and L7 category. Okay, these are the subcategories. So first category is L, it is subdivided into the L2, L7 category. So the motor vehicle with less than 4 wheels, okay, they falls under L category, plus some four wheelers, okay, also come under this L category. I will show you in the next slide. Then second is the M category, again it subdivided into the M1, M2, M3 category. So vehicle having at least four wheel and used for the carriage of the passenger. Then N category, it is subdivided into the N1, N2, N3. Okay, so power driven vehicles having at least four wheeler and it is used for the carriage of the goods. Then O category, it is subdivided into O1, O2, O3, O4. Okay, trailers including the semi trailers. Then special purpose vehicle. Then next category is T category, agriculture and forestry tractors. Then non-road mobile machinery. Then G category, off-road vehicles, and at the end special purpose vehicle, okay, which falls in the M1 category. So they are again divided into the SA, SB, SC and SD. So let's have a in-depth understanding. So this is first category L. We know that. Okay, so motor vehicle with less than four wheel, but it also include the light four wheeler. Then in that L category it is having subcategory L1. So understand, okay, see here, two wheeled vehicle, okay, who has in the engine cylinder capacity not exceeding the 50 centimeter cube and its speed is not exceeding the 50 kilometer per hour, it come under the L1 category, and the example is the electrical bicycle. Then L2 category, three wheeled vehicle, same, and its engine capacity not exceeding the 50 centimeter cube and speed also not exceeding the 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, example of this L2 category, auto rickshaw. Then L3, two wheeled vehicle and the engine cylinder capacity in that case exceeding the 50 centimeter cube, okay, and speed also exceeding the 50 kilometer per hour. The example is the our motorcycle. Okay, then L for category. So in that, see, a vehicle with three wheels asymmetrically arranged in a relation to longitudinal median plane, and the engine capacity, okay, is 50 centimeter cube exceeding, and speed also exceeding the 50 kilometer per hour. So in that L4 category, these motorcycle with sidecars are coming. Okay, so see this image. Okay, this type of vehicle coming under the L4 category. Then next is the L5 category, a vehicle with three wheel symmetrically arranged in a relation to the longitudinal median plane, and its engine cylinder capacity is exceeding the 50 centimeter cube, or speed also maximum, okay, exceeding the 50 kilometer per hour. So this motorized tricycle coming under the L5 category, it looks like that. Then in L6 category, a vehicle with four wheel, okay, whose unladen mass is not more than the 350 kg, not including the mass of the batteries, okay, in case of the electrical vehicle. So excluding the battery weight in the electrical vehicle, suppose the vehicle with four wheel having weight 350 kg, they are coming in the L6 category. Okay, and so the example is, see here, golf cart, mobility scooter. So see this image. Okay, so this type of vehicles are coming in the L6 category. Then in L7 category, vehicle with the four wheel, okay, other than the classified for the category L6, whose laden mass is not more than the 400 kg. Okay, so see this type of vehicle, micro cars, okay, their mass is up to 400 kg, and the vehicles, okay, which are not falling in the L6 category, they are coming in the L7 category. Next is the M category. So here see, vehicle having at least four wheels and used for carriage of the passenger. Okay, so we know that four wheel vehicle and which is used for the carry of the passenger, they are coming in the M category. So M category again subdivided into M1, M2, M3. So in M1, the vehicle used for carriage of the passenger compromising not more than the 8 seat in addition to the drivers. Okay, so this type of traveler type of vehicle are coming in the M1 category. Okay, then in M2 category, vehicle used for the carriage of the passenger compromising more than the 8 seat, okay, in addition to the driver seat, and having maximum capacity not exceeding the 5 ton. So bus is a come under the M2 category, and we know that it is four wheeler and it is having more than 10 people carrying capacity. Okay, but here is the limitation to the mass, okay, not exceeding the 5 tons. And then in M3 category, again the bus is coming, okay, more than the 8 seat there, okay, its capacity, you can seat more uh, more than 8 passenger in that bus. Also it has, okay, there is no limitation to the mass, okay, you can carry the more than 50 ton passenger weight. Okay, so this type of vehicle are coming in the M3 category. Then N category, power driven vehicle having at least four wheels and used for carriage of the goods. Okay, goods mean the material. So again they are subdivided into N1, N2, N3. So N1, vehicle used for carriage of goods and having a maximum mass not exceeding the 3.5 ton. Example is pickup, truck and van. So this type of pickup type of vehicle are coming in the N1 category, and they have the limitation to carry the mass. Okay, it is not exceeding the 3.5 tons. Then in N2 category, okay, there is a no limitation to the mass carrying. Okay, it can exceed 3.5 tons but not more than the 12 tons. Okay, so the vehicle which can carry the mass between 3.5 to the 12 tons, they come under the N2 category, and more than 12 ton mass carrying capacity vehicles are coming in the N3 category. Then next is the O category of the vehicle. So it includes the trailers. So see here, again it is subdivided into O1, O2, O3 and O4. So see, trailers, maximum mass not exceeding the 0.75 tons, they falls under the O1 category. Then the trailers who have mass carrying capacity between 0.75 ton to the 3.5 ton, they are come in the O2 category. Then in the O3 category, 3.5 ton to the 10 ton, in between those trailers carry this mass, they are coming in the O3 category. And in O4 category, the trailers which carry the maximum mass, okay, exceeding the 10 tons, they are coming under the O4 category. Next is the special purpose vehicle. Okay, it is also one type of category. So see here, it is motor car van or armed car, VIP cars, then ambulance, then hearse. Okay, so these are the special type of vehicle. Okay, so we know that celebrity, they have uh, van, and in that it looks like a home. Okay, it is special purpose vehicle. Then for VIP persons, there are bulletproof cars. Okay, they are come under the special purpose vehicle. Then ambulance, okay, they having the different features. Okay, it is special purpose. Okay, to save the person's life. Okay, there are different arrangement done in that vehicle, so they coming under special purpose vehicle. Then this, okay, here's it is to carry the dead body of the person. Okay, so this come under the special purpose vehicle. Then next category is T category. Okay, it is agriculture and forestry tractors. So this tractor type of vehicle, they are coming in the T category. Again, the next category is non-road mobile machinery. Okay, see this image. Okay, this JCB, aeroplane. Okay, then train, then ship. Okay, this is metal handling car. Okay, they are coming in the non-road mobile machinery, they are not running on the road na. So this is facial category. Okay, then G, off-road vehicle. So see this image, we know that, okay, in Dubai, in desert, some vehicles are uh, driven. So this type of vehicle, okay, they are using off-road. Okay, they are coming under the G category. Next is special purpose vehicle, M1. M1 means we know that, okay, see, four wheel, and this M category, okay, it is used to carry the passenger. So again, it is this special purpose vehicle M1, it divided into the SA, SB, SC, SD. So same in SA, okay, this motor car van, as I already explained, the celebrities, okay, they having their van. Okay, it look like a home. So this special developed vehicle coming under the SA category. Then SB, it is a this military type of vehicles. Okay, this C, okay, this tank, they are coming under the SB category. Then ambulance, they are coming under the SC category. And then in SD, okay, so see here, okay, at the funnel, suppose they want to carry the coffin of a person, then This type of vehicles are coming under the SD category. So these are the vehicle categorization, and we need to have its idea. Okay, as a automotive plastic product design and development engineer. If you have any doubt in that session, you can ask in the discussion panel. Thank you.